How to make your channel rank first on YouTube.
Tech Impact.
So welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Impact. So I'm going to show you guys how you can make your YouTube channel searchable on the YouTube search engine or rank first. So but before we continue, I would like to tell you guys I'm trying to make this video as short as possible, so I'll be skipping and I'll be fast forwarding some places. So the first thing we're going to be looking at in this video is your channel name. So when you're creating a YouTube channel, you want to make sure you're selecting or you're choosing a name that is searchable. So once you've chosen the name, the next thing we are going to do is add a profile picture and a banner. You can add a description if you want, but that is for later. In this video, it is not required. So we're going to head into our customization to start designing our YouTube channel. So definitely all this thing takes part in your YouTube ranking high. Okay, so now you're in your YouTube channel customization. From your layout, we are going to head into branding. So your branding here, you're just going to upload your profile picture. So guys, I have a video about how you create a profile picture for your YouTube channel and also a custom channel banner as well. So if you don't know how to do all those, you can check in the description and go and watch a video on how you can do all those. So I'm going to upload my channel banner right now. So guys, this is our channel and it's looking all good. As you can see, the channel is looking sweet. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to go deeper in customizing and setting up our YouTube channel. So I'm going to click on my profile picture at the right top corner, and from here I'll head into my YouTube studio. So guys, this is my channel dashboard and you can see this is a new channel, everything is still new. So from here now I'm going to head into settings, and from my settings we head into channel. So now from our channel we are heading into feature eligibility. As you can see, the first one here is on green and the second one is on gray. So let's find out the reason why the second one is on gray. So verifying our YouTube channel. So you guys, you don't know how to verify your YouTube channel, the link is also posted in the description for you to go and check on how you can verify your YouTube channel in case if you haven't. So once you verified your YouTube channel, now the next step you're going to do, you're going to head into our advanced settings. So advanced settings is where you will be asked where you just have to explore. But I'm going to be selecting how do you want your video to appear. So I'm going to select not meant for kids. So we head back into basic info, and from there we'll select our country. So guys, here you see the next box that says keywords. This is the place where most of us get it confused, and this is one of the most important part of this video. This is the place you don't want to make a mistake. So this is the place you are going to add your channel name, abbreviation, capital letters and small letters. You want to make sure you have your channel name appear in different ways. It can be an abbreviation, like I said earlier, small letter or capital letter. Just make sure that your channel name appears here as much as possible, and also put a little of what your channel is all about. As you can see here, I'm done inputting mine, but you can put as many as you want. So now I'm going to click on save. Clicking on save, and you can see here my channel is good, and you can see this from monetization. It says I have 0 subscribers, 0 watch hour, and you can see 2-step verification is enabled. This channel does not have community strike, and I can ask them to notify me whenever my channel is eligible for monetization. As you can see, this is our channel now. So we're going to head into another channel so we can search if this channel is already topping. So I'm going to switch back to my other channel, and I'm going to use it to search for the channel which we have just created, which is football court HD. It's a cool name, guys. It's a cool name. So guys, make sure you subscribe to that channel. Like I said earlier, this is my third channel, and all my channels always rank high because I keep on using all this method I'm sharing with you guys. So because our channel does not have any video in it, currently doesn't have any video, so we are not going to be scrolling down. We're not going to be going through these steps. We're just going to filter this search to just select a particular topic. So I filter it and I'm going to select just type, which is channel. And if we scroll down right now, sorry guys. So if you scroll down now, let's see if we're going to find our channel in this box. You would remember when you see my channel, right? I bet you will. So you can see a lot of other channels popping up, and our channel is nowhere to be found. Well, if your channel is not yet found by this time, that means your channel, you need to apply these steps that I'm teaching you in this video to your channel. Okay, so you can see it doesn't appear. So guys, what we do is come back again after a day for 24 hours, let's say 24 hours, and see if our channel could rank high. So let me switch back to the main account. You can see my 3 account right there, and this is the main account which we just created, and I'm going to use this main account itself to search for its own account. It sounds somehow, but I bet you understand what I mean. So I'm just going to change the letters in case if it's the letters. That's why I said if you're creating a YouTube channel, you must make sure you're using a good YouTube a good channel name. Okay, because if you're not using a good channel name, it can also affect your YouTube channel being ranked in the YouTube search engine. So you can see if the channel is still nowhere to be found. So like I said earlier, we have to come back to check this in the next 24 hours and see if it ranks high. Though I'll be making an upload because I have videos I want to upload in this particular channel, so I'll be making an upload there, and it doesn't disturb anything. I won't change anything in the settings. So see you guys tomorrow in the next 24 hours. So guys, this is not 24 hours later, this is about 48 hours later. So I got so busy I forgot about this particular topic, and I kept on uploading on my channel and I totally forgot, and I apologize for that. But I'm back, and let's go and check if our channel is ranking high on the YouTube search engine. So I think I've made about 3 posts in that channel currently. Okay, this is one of the video right there that is Nima in Salah. That's one of the videos. So I made, I think, 3 videos here, correct, 3 videos. So I'm going to search for that YouTube channel. Now, if you can remember, it's Football Court HD. So I'm going to click on search right now. So I think the reason why that video appeared in this channel is because I'm subscribed to the channel. Okay, that's the reason why. So you can see this is one of the videos that I uploaded, the Salah video there. So let's filter the channel now and see. Let's filter and go to channel. So as you can see now, our channel is ranking high. This is the channel and it's ranking number 1 here. I have 3 subscribers and 3 videos. So I'm subscribed to it with this channel, and it's not the reason why it's ranking high. Okay, it's not the reason why. So I'm going to switch to another account actually to try to test this stuff, to show you guys it's not because I'm subscribed. You can see I have 3 videos in it. That's because I said I forgot I have a video I'm supposed to make, and that was the reason why I had to make 3 videos there. So I'm going to be switching to a different account. So I'm going to refresh first. So I'm refreshing now. So you can see I refreshed my account, and still my channel, So this is not the page, this is not a picture. It's actually, you can see I'm scrolling all the way up, and you can see right there. So I'm going to be switching to a different account. I'm going to be switching to an account that I'm not subscribed to in this channel. So this is me opening a new tab. Sorry, it's been a fast word. I just want to keep this video as short as possible. So this is it switching to another account. These are my 3 accounts. So I've switched into my other account, which is Tech Impact. Guys, please make sure you're subscribing to my YouTube channel as you watching. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. So this is a different account, and in the search, I'm going to filter now, select channels, and okay. Oh wow, our channel ranks first. You can see this channel, I'm not subscribed to it. It's not subscribed to, and you can see it's still ranking high. This is to show you that what we've done, what we did, it actually worked. So if I sign back into that account, into the main account which we're using to do this video, closer into my channel. So I need to back into my channel. I can see this is the channel, and there is no description. That's we left it. And if I go to my YouTube studio, I'm going to head into my channel settings and go to channel. These are still the keywords that we left there. Nothing has been added, nothing has been removed. So advanced settings still what it was. Advanced, same thing. Feature eligibility, the same thing. So guys, just to show you guys that it works. So if you follow these steps I showed you in this video, and you do exactly what I showed you, this will definitely work for you. So guys, thank you for watching. If this video helped you, kindly make sure you leave a comment down below, and please make sure to subscribe to my other channels as well, and turn on the bell notification. See you in the next video, and may God bless you.